Eyes across Jamaica. News from every angle.
Let's see what is popping in the news. And remember, like, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell. The man who was abducted on Thursday and his car stolen was this morning rescued from a 55 feet deep pit in the Jones Avenue community of Spanish Town. Reports are that the man, whose name is being withheld, was held up by armed men who stole his motor car and took him to the Jones Avenue community and threw him in the pit. According to a police source, they were alerted to the area and on their approach one man who was guarding the pit ran from the scene and escaped in the community. Acting Senior Superintendent of the St. Catherine Fire Brigade Dennis Lyons said the department received the call at about 7:14 a.m. and responded with 17 firefighters and emergency personnel who carried out the extraction. One firefighter was lowered into the pit and he tied the rope around the gentleman and, in a very delicate process, we were able to remove him from the pit, Lyons disclosed. The man was transported to the Spanish Town Hospital where he is being treated. Two people were shot and injured along Maxfield Avenue.
Russell Road and Maxfield intersection where we had a shooting incident about 12 p.m. today. From information received, persons were purchasing food from that small restaurant there when persons would have approached and shot two persons. From information further received, those persons were rushed to the Kingston Public Hospital where they are currently receiving treatment for their injuries.